till day now in 2020, 30 years of our journey in schooling. For us too, it's been a very pleasant journey. Although it is a virtual celebration, we want to make it as live as possible. It was a very sudden thought by our principal yesterday. It was around 3 o'clock when we decided why don't we have a small meetup when we're all meeting everybody, all the children every day. Let's get linked with a link for first statement. So I think you all got the link today and we are hoping for everybody to join. So let's start the day. It's going to be absolutely informal, so there's no like formalities, who's going to be smart, nothing like that. So you can just rock your time, 1 hour is all ours. So you can please come forward to do whatever you can. We do have some lot of entertainment already. Teachers were really quick enough to get us some programs for yesterday evening after 6. Amazing. So I think you all should be waiting to see all the stuff. So let's begin the day with a very nice welcome from our principal ma'am. Over to our principal ma'am.
Don't address me as principal, let it be very informal. So let it be a very, on the easy note, let us enjoy this day. And I've given a reminder to the correspondent madam. We'll see whether she is able to join us. So first of all, I'm not going to talk on a very, what to say, in a very professional note or on a very formal note. Okay. So first of all, what does in my mind is, I want to first thank you all. So this thank you from my side as Vijayalakshmi is really for the fact that you stood up in this difficult situation. There are no words really. I'm speaking from my heart. I always speak from my heart, and there are no words to say to express my happiness, gratitude, and even I was telling yesterday, I don't know, I don't have the integrity I had before. Maybe I'm in the other side, maybe I'm missing something. But if I would have been in your side, I think I would have enjoyed a lot. So, but the way in the April, we didn't know what to do when this pandemic was a real challenge for all of us. We didn't know how to go up with this, what to do. Our children will miss their academics, food will not function, what will happen to the future of the children. I was so stressed in the month of April with not knowing what to do. When other schools, they had some, they were already digital, partially digital, they were with the external support. So it was very challenging for us. But in the month of May, when we all came to the school, and the way you explored things, the way you taught yourself with the help of each other, the way you executed, the way everything was so amazing. This journey of this 5 months, I will say that it was tremendous from your side. Nothing from my side and nothing from the any other side. It is all your efforts, your passion has driven us, and you have seen to it that something is delivered to the children. And academic inputs, what you have prepared, and when it was into criticism, saying that this was not correct, this was not improper, the parents' feedback is not so favorable, this has to be improved, that has to be improved. Everything you took it in a very right way, and you wanted to explore more and become better and better each and every day. So I feel very happy, teachers. Really, I want to express my thanks to 50 plus teachers here. My special thanks to 50 plus teachers who have really, for us, technology is not so easy. We forget. Today you teach us, tomorrow we'll forget. That is the age factor, and for ladies, aging is very fast. So with all that, the 50 plus teachers have taken this challenge in the right way, and every day you explore, every day you learn something, every day you go or you try for the betterment. So really hats off to you teachers for standing up in this occasion and really, otherwise the children would have missed schooling, and not only schooling, academics and other things. You have seen to it that something is continuing in the right way. The way you explored Google Classrooms, Google Forms, and you worked for that, and when I asked for attendance and other things, all the way you take up things and the way you try to stabilize everything, I am very happy. And this is not a formal talk I am giving. I am really happy. I am really expressing my thanks. And I want this team spirit, this coordination, this harmony to continue. You have a perfect harmony. Only thing I feel is jealousy, envy is there in me because I'm not in your side. Of course, we are in one team, so that perfect harmony should exist, and whatever we have missed, and that all should set right. God is there to help us. I'm a strong believer of each and every step by element. So He will guide us. He will keep up this team forever in the same connect, and we will soar heights and heights, and we will work for the betterment of this younger generation. There is no doubt about it. So this is the selfless, noble profession. It is not that other people call it as noble. I don't call it as noble. It is the true spirit. It's noble. So we are not for the monetary benefits. Of course, we also need money, but monetary benefits are not our top priority. So even then, we try to give our best, and we try to extend beyond horizon. That's the only it will break. But however you stress the teachers, they will not break. That is the specialty of the teachers. So I'm very happy for it. God bless you all. Good health, happiness, strength, courage, and give you the best in life, and you let God shower on you most and more abundantly in life. Thank you, teachers.
Now we'll start away with Neelamani ma'am presenting a song for us. Neelamani ma'am presented a song. Thank you, Neelamani ma'am. Very nice. Thank you so much. Now we'll have Nagalingam sir, the youngest person in the team. Sweet 16, Nagalingam sir.
Yes. The role of teachers is very important for the society. I'd like to quote 3 historic incidents for your reference. Okay, I would like to quote 3 historic incidents. First one, உப்பவா பள்ளியில் ஒரு மாணவன் அந்த கண்டுபிடிப்புகளுக்கு சால்வ் பண்ணவே முடியவில்லை. அந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு மிகச்சிறந்த கண்டுபிடிப்பாக இருந்தது. அந்த கண்டுபிடிப்புக்கு சொந்தக்காரர் தான் நமது சீனிவாச ராமானுஜன். அந்த சீனிவாச ராமானுஜன் உலக புகழ் பெற்ற கணித மேதை என்பது அனைவருக்கும் தெரியும். ஆனால் அவரை இந்த உலகுக்கு
Madhu Miss, who's been here for the last 30 years, is iconic of PV. You know, you cannot separate PV and Madhu Miss. So we request Madhu Miss to say a few words about her journey in PV for the 30 full years. Come on, Miss. We're waiting to hear you. Thanks, teachers. One round of applause.
Thank you, Jenny.
Yeah.
In this 30 years, this is the first time I think BV has missed celebrating Teachers' Day. Really, going back from the first year, I think Vijay ma'am also knows, we have been celebrating Teachers' Day in a very grand manner. We used to have holiday. Ma'am used to declare holiday, and of course, after say few years, we had in secondary section for with us to celebrate Teachers' Day. This year, sitting at home, really remembering all those days, we really miss our school, especially today. Ma'am, especially the gifts. Every year, past 30 years, we have been getting beautiful. Yes,
And the gift. Alamana sent the gift. Manoj had sent the gift, and everybody yesterday who were there in the campus received the Parker pen.
Really, we miss our school today, ma'am, especially. But it is so nice that all of a sudden we had a virtual program. It is really nice. And like, what else to say? Like 30 years for a journey in this school, really very pleasant. And hope next year we'll have a very big function and double dhamaka next year. Okay, so hoping to meet all of you very soon. Let us see the children first. That will make us feel happy and comfortable.
As a teacher, we are all very proud that we get so many messages and wishes from our children. So this is our proud moment, dear teachers. And really, we are all proud to be a teacher. More than anything, as Principal Ma'am said, money doesn't make equal our job profession. हम जितना भी हमारे पास हमारे अंदर बहुत सारी क्वेरीज और हमारी बहुत ग्रीवेंसेस होगी, फिर भी एज ए टीचर हम बच्चों के सामने चले जाते तो बस उनसे एकदम मिल जाते और बच्चों को कुछ ना कुछ सिखाने की कोशिश करते, बच्चे और हम एक मिल जाते हैं, है ना? So that is the spirit of a teacher. Thank you all, and wish you all a happy and prosperous year ahead. No more corona for the whole life. Year after no corona, nothing. Healthy life, and we need to come back to school very soon. We need to we need to meet each other and continue our profession in a very healthy manner. Thank you all.
Now, from the Tamil department, Geeta, if you can share something with us today on this occasion. Like we had from the English department next, now we have from Tamil.
அளப்பரிய உன்னத பணிபுரியும்
Video on, video on.
மக்களுக்கு என் அன்பான வணக்கங்கள். அன்பான மாணவர் செல்வம்க்கு தன் ஆளுமை திறன் மூலம் இதயத்திலிருந்து பாடப்புகழ் ஈடில்லா கல்வி பயனை எடுத்து கோரி உலக நடைமுறைக்கேற்ப மாணவர்களை மாற்றி ஊரறிய பல சாதனைகளை மனதில் மாணவர்களை சுமந்து அவர்களின் ஏற்றங்களை மனதால் பூரித்து ஐயமின்றி வாழ கற்றுக் கொடுத்து உண்மையின் சிறப்பை உணர வைத்து எழுதுவதால் பல இடங்கள் பெற்று பெறாத தங்களுக்காக மெழுகாய் உருகும் நம் இனிய உறவுகளுக்கு என் இனிய ஆசிரியர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Okay, thank you, Geeta Miss, for your lovely renderings in Tamil.
திருப்பி லாலே வரும். அப்படியே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுங்க டூவோடய ரிப்பீட். லில்லி மலருக்கு கொண்டாட்டம் அழுவுகை ஒரு நாளில் திறந்து நீ ஒரு திருப்புறவை பார்த்தவனும் Once I went to sailing in the sea. I sailed the boat, I sailed the ship, I sailed the Zulu land. A Negro came and sat beside me in a golden easy way. And when I talked to him of love, this what did he say? What did he say? America manja kunja, samare satara ni chola, chikaki chola, haya haya hoya.
Now, so we heard all languages, so we're moving into English from Shirley Miss, our senior teacher, who will tell us something on this occasion. Shirley Miss, switch on your mic and begin.
Say I wish all the teachers, principal, DT sir, a very happy Teachers Day. May God bless you all and help you through this journey. That was especially this technical journey. As principal said, I was very happy to hear. I'm hearing everything. I'm very happy that principal appreciated our efforts. And I come in that category of 50 plus, really struggling, learning every day, every period.
Shirley, no revealing the secret.
Shirley. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for appreciating our.
And now, anybody else, teachers, who want to say something? Lalita Miss?
Yes, I would like to share. Thank you for
Please.
giving me this chance. A very good morning to everybody here. Happy Teachers Day wishes. Each and every department, there were persons to express themselves on this day. Now, on behalf of Science Department, I would like to convey my views on this day. You know, science is full of experiments. We experiment with many things. Now we are experimenting actually with students' lives. We can change their lives with the right mix of chalks and challenges. But at present, we are not making use of chalks because there are a lot of challenges in front of us. We will prove that even in this situation, we can polish the students and prepare them for the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Lalita Miss. We also share the same pride of what you're feeling right now. It means to all the teachers, even that we are being admired by so many children every year. It's definitely a very happy moment.
Few words. With the presentation, we will end up our meeting. So it's not very formal. I want to see this just like that. When I was doing something in the afternoon in the school, I thought, okay, we should not miss anything. So we'll have at least we will see each other virtually, and we'll have a small get together like thing over online. So when the thought came at once, I called her and told Jenny, can you come to the school? She told, I have a class. Okay, you finish, you have your lunch and come to school. Then I called Mr. Jaikumar, I called VP. We all 3-4 of us sat together and thought, okay, how we will post in the Insta, Facebook, on whether we have to extend our invitation to the correspondent, because she's always heads us, and we thought how to go about it. It's a very short time. The way these people took it, Mr. Jaikumar, Mrs. Jenny, all that, really I thank you for all your efforts. I know the teachers, one set of 4th and 5th teachers and 6, 7, 8 teachers were there in the campus. I addressed them, I told them about this. They were also very eagerly thought of participating in it. So very nice. So on the spot, you have come out with all this presentation. I thank Mrs. Jalakshmi, I thank Mrs. Gitanjali Rana and Ms. Meenal and Mrs. Shabri and Mrs. Nandini. Always, I have admired her voice. When she comes over the mic to announce names of the children, I always admired. I have admired most of her things. So in that, I have admired her voice also. And then, thank you. Even though it is not formal, I want to extend my thanks to the online committee members. Let all the online committee members who are behind the screen every time to help us to coordinate with them, with me and with the teachers, with the parents. All that is wonderful. Continue this. I pray God that He has to give you a lot of strength and health and happiness. What we don't need is not money or something else, but we need happiness. So every day when we get up and when we go to the bed, we have to smile and we have to be cheerful. So let God give us that on this day, and you can continue. Thank you so much. Continue with your presentation. Thank you.
Everyone has something special we missed out. Can you guess what is something that we missed out on the Teachers' Day? Another event which normally happens. Somebody can guess? I'll come out with the Teachers' Day awardees. Teachers' Day awardees. I would like to introduce this year's Teachers' Day awardees. This year, normally I always select teachers who is really deserving, and every one of us get a chance every year. It's not that you miss it out, it comes according to your seniority and like that. So this year's Cluster Award, the most coveted award, Cluster Award is being honored and given to Mrs. Lalita Raghavendran. The second award is CIC normally honors our teachers, and this year's nominee and awardee is Mr. Subbaraj sir from the higher secondary, who has just moved into CBSE Rocklet. An extraordinary sir with extraordinary biology talents, and he's got 99 correct this year. It's very heavy. Congratulations, sir. Congrats. And that is Subbaraj sir for us. And the third awardee, IIHM award, I'm very proud to say, it's from the English department. Tina Gautaman for her.
I wish to share with you all that I wish to share with you all I've been honored on September 14th on Hindi Divas Day by Madhuban Commission. Usually this is given in Delhi, but I think due to this pandemic situation, we will not be traveling and definitely we will not be in a situation to go there and receive it. So I will be receiving in Chennai online. So I would like to share with this. Congratulations.
Thank you Saraswati Miss. Thank you all teachers for spending your valuable time with us until 12:15. We managed, and I think we all really rocked the show, had a